Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure this TP-Link device to work as an access point. For example, in the organization where I work, we have a Wi-Fi hotspot configured on a MikroTik router. So we use these TP-Link devices to extend the Wi-Fi network. You can take note that you can also use these devices at home to extend your home network. So if you check the behind part of the router, you find these credentials: the Wi-Fi password, SSID. Then we check again here, you see default settings, username, password. So take note of these credentials because you use them when accessing the network and also logging into the router. So let's jump into my computer and let me show you how to configure it. Okay, now I'm on my computer. So first thing first, make sure you must log into the network like so, using your default password. In my own case, this is my default password. So to log into the router itself, you need this link, or better still, you can use the default password of the router. The default password of the TP-Link device. So to get the default password, you just go to command prompt and type ipconfig, click enter. So see where we have default gateway. This is a default gateway. You just copy it here, Control C to copy, go to your browser and type this. You can type this, or you type this link. They will both lead you to the router interface like so. So the default login credentials here, admin. If you check the behind part of the router, you get all this information. So just click on login. So I'm now in the TP-Link device. If let's say you're logging in for the first time, this is how the interface will look. Or let's say you've reset the device, this is the same thing you get. So to begin, you just click on next. So here you can say change the login, default login, that admin. If you want to change the default login, just click on yes. Old user is admin, password admin. There you put your new password, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just go to no, click on next. So we want it to work as well, to function as an access point, which has been checked already. So just click on next. So yeah, you can change this SSID if you want. Normally I do change it. I'll just say test AP, then channel, leave it as auto. Then now at the level of this case, if let's say you're using it to extend the Wi-Fi hotspot on your MikroTik router, there's no need to set security. For security here, you just click on no security, because at the level of the MikroTik router, security has already been set. If not so, if you set security here, that means users will have to log in twice before accessing your network. But if you think you want to tighten security by doing so, you can still leave that. But I normally don't do that. If I'm, for example, in the case of a MikroTik router, or if let's say at home and I've already set security setting on my home router, no need for that. So yeah, it depends on you. But in this case, I will go with no security. After that, I click on next. So you go here, click on static IP. So what I normally do when configuring this device or these devices, before I even log into the device, I make sure I get all the information, the IP address, the subnet mask. How do I do that? I connect my PC to the router interface where I'm to connect the device or the devices. Then I type IP config. I click enter. Then I get all this information. I get the subnet mask of the network. I get the default gateway of the router interface and save it in a document. So when I come at this level, I just copy. Let's say this. I'll just copy it, the default gateway of the router interface, and paste here. So let's say if it ends as .1, I will give this one this TP-Link device .2. Then the subnet marks, they should match. The subnet mark should match. So you check that and make sure you just click here and select the appropriate one. After that, you go and click on disable DSCP. When you're done, you click on next. So here now you just finish the configuration. click on finish. If you want to, you can click here save. It will save these default credentials so that you can always reference to it. You just click on save. Yeah, it's safe on your device. You just click on finish. Okay, configuration completed successfully. So it's restarting the device and it will lock you out. So as you can see, the device was configured successfully and it restarted, so it locked me out. Now if you check, go here and check, we now have this SSID test AP which you configure. So once you're done configuring, you just take a TP-Link device and connect to your router. It could be a MikroTik router or whatever, or home router, and it will start functioning as an access point. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.